So, whatever you do not get the Fitbit Sense 2. Why would you want all-day stress detection? Imagine living without that daily stress management score. It's not like it helps you chill out or anything. And don't you dare use the ECG app, because who needs to check for atrial fibrillation? Just stick with guessing, right? Also, totally avoid this if you're trying to sleep better. Personalized sleep profiles? No thanks. Who needs a daily sleep score to know how they snooze? Forget about built-in GPS and workout maps. Don't even think about tracking your activity all day. Active zone minutes? Pfft, that sounds boring. Oh, and customizing clock faces? That's a total snooze. Who even wants to get texts and calls on their wrist? Like stay unplugged or something. Definitely don't enjoy 6+ days of battery life. What a nightmare charging that thing every other day. And please, do not take part in 40+ exercise modes. Just imagine being that fit. Ugh! And whatever you do, don't use it in the water. Water resistance to 50 meters? So overrated. Stay away from the health metrics dashboard. Because who needs to know all this cool data? And definitely skip the mindfulness content. Learning to chill? That sounds like a trap. Really don't use the built-in Amazon Alexa. Who wants to just ask questions with their watch? And lastly, forget the 6-month premium membership. Who needs personalized insights and advanced analytics? Not me.